Jordan. Hey yo, Jordan, 3 words. Nikki, doggy, missionary. Bitch. Your thoughts are wacky, your hair is nappy. It's a diss track, so you know I'm snapping. I put Aaron to sleep, fat ass is napping. Jordan said he a virgin, you know he capping. I got Nazi choking, it's time for her to start tapping. Paul had Mike and bet you start hearing cheeks clapping. Jordan can't spit bars, he's afraid to start rapping. I knew I had to drop a song when he started yapping. Got a bitch to my left, she got the flatty. Bitch to my right, kinda a baddie. CC left, right is Nazi. I had Gigi in my room, she was getting tricky. I'm not even gonna talk about Erica, Julie, and Nikki. You fingering CC while squeezing Gigi titty. Just think about it next time you try to kick me. You a thought, nigga. You a thought, nigga. Let's talk about the 6s, Aaron Cop, nigga. I see Jordan, I'ma kill him with the Rifty 9. Last night I put Nazi in 69. I'ma leave his brain like spaghetti. You better be ready, cause these shots that I'm firing heavy. Should I kill him with a track or kill him with a head? You think about it next time you try to test me.
I'm in shock, yeah. Vice President Tings. Duppy smoking one, I got these niggas shook. Jordan wearing ski mask, he really think he a crook. Like Cam said, Nazi right, CC left. Aaron acting reckless, he really asking what's next. Yeah, niggas asking me when the album gon' hit. I'm just in the lab, I'm really crafting these hits. I might just drop another diss on the 10th. Nigga, I am the shit, I am so fly. Please don't call me cockpit. Aaron eating too much, he really need to quit. I'm the definition of the code, call me Smokey William. My diss is moving silence, niggas asking who hit him. Yeah, I talked to President J and me and him plotting. Aaron going to the gym, can't believe he walked in. Aaron's so big, it's easy to spot him. I know Aaron's got a lot of confessions. This just my 6th song and I got good impressions. Shook by all of his ops, he moving in discretion. People asking the name of my album, it's Rockstar Sessions. Yeah, Rockstar Sessions, coming soon. Vice President